Alright, so we're back. So once you do remove the full 6 screws, I was hoping not to have to take all 6 out, but you do need to. Then this part of the chassis comes off completely. Now, to remove the whole thing will be a little bit complicated because a lot of the wires are holding it in place. And you have these sort of, they look like magnets, round magnets on the main thing that also need to be moved around if you want to be able to actually get this out. So you can slip those out, but that won't get you very far either because it's still being held down by something in there. So I would say better idea to unhook the end stop thing here if you can, gently and carefully. I don't know if I can do it without breaking it while I'm shooting a video. I'm going to try. Probably not the best of ideas. Okay, well, it worked. So that'll help somewhat. But then there's a bunch more things here that you have to be really careful of, because if you don't do this carefully, you will break something. And there's this little thing here that needs to come out, of course, and this wire is just soldered on. Bad idea how they did this, because if you want to take stuff out, there's a good chance you might just remove the solder by accident and snap that wire. So very bad idea how they planned this part, but I'll try to find a solution for you guys in the next video. Anyway, thanks for watching.